Hello， 大家好。今日咧，我咧就嚟到倫敦第2日啦。咁我今日咧就會去Westminster Abbey， 即係一個碼頭嗰度啦。我哋就會行20分鐘去嘅。呢座嘢好靚啊，後面仲見到倫敦眼啊！中頭個公園啊！我哋見到個大笨鐘啊，不過而家喺度維修緊啊，起晒嗰啲棚喺度維修緊啊！維修緊啊，希望下次有得再嚟睇啊！其實咧呢座咧就係西敏寺嘅 Westminster Abbey 啦。我哋咧睇下一陣可唔可以再去 Pier 嗰度啦，即係碼頭嗰度。哇！呢座嘢真係好大，你睇啲人幾細，但係呢座嘢係超級大㗎。好啦，我哋嚟到呢個 Westminster Pier 啦。呢度咧，我哋一陣咧就會搭船喺個河嗰度咧，周圍欣賞下啦。咁咧前邊啦，我哋就見到呢個摩天輪啦 ，London Eye 啦。咁我哋就未必會入去啦。咁而且呢度嘅河嘅景色真係好靚嘅。我哋咧而家咧就俾緊錢咧買飛搭船嘅。好啦，呢個咧就係個 Pier 啦，我哋一陣會落去搭船。好啦，我哋揀坐上邊啦，我哋而家上去啦，上緊去啦而家。呢度見到個好靚嘅海景。好啦，我哋上到嚟啦，我哋而家揾啲位坐低先。
While we make our way across the river, there are toilets downstairs, also in the lower saloon. Feel free to wander around the boats if you wish to do so. But if you are wandering around, folks, just take care as you go up and down the stairs. Please use the handrails that are provided. Right, and I'll give you a safety announcement. Okay, is everyone enjoying themselves? Everyone happy? Yep. Excellent. That's good. Okay. Not everyone didn't seem that happy. Yeah, you're all happy. Excellent. Okay.
我哋而家對住個摩天輪啊！
Not a random number. They represent the 32 boroughs of London. This was originally built back in the former office for Winston Churchill during the Second World War. Now, as we go through these bridges, if there's anyone on the walkways, we'll give them a wave and see if we can get some good luck. If we get 5 years of good luck, if we get a wave back from anyone on these bridges. Don't worry if they don't wave back, folks. That just means they're from London and they're miserable. Okay? There's another footbridge here. There's some happy people here in London. Very noisy bridge that, the Charing Cross Railway Bridge. You look to the right-hand side, the building there, the Royal Mail and very religious books. Did contain Queen Victoria's very own personal place there to inspire all the young students. The Blackfriars Road Bridge. See the supports of the bridge look like church-style ornaments.
哇！我哋又過橋啦，前面仲有一條啊，我哋又至過橋啦，呢度真係好多橋啊！
All that remains of the second bridge, the old St Paul's Railway Bridge, the red columns either side of the boat here. They removed the top of the bridge, it became too unsafe for modern rail trains. They would not remove those columns for fear of undermining the left-hand side and dominating the London skyline. You can see there the gold in the year 17. The architect, Sir Christopher Wren, he's buried within the crypt of St Paul's, along with the Iron Duke. So you could pass that as being possible. Follow the bridge, folks. This is the Millennium Footbridge we're about to pass beneath, better known as the Blade of Light, or the Wibbly Wobbly Bridge. Designed by Lord Norman Foster on its opening day, it swayed violently in London to have been allowed to be made out of wood, and thatched since the Great Fire back in 1666. This was the brainchild of a gentleman called the Black Brighton on the gold background, built 1650. It's over 400 years old. It was said in the Shard of glass there to your right, the tallest building in Western Europe. It stands over 1,018 feet tall. Inside the Shard, offices, apartments, into the Thames mud. The old London Bridge taken down, stone by platform there where you can see overnight. It's not as high as the Shard, but you get the same view what you would do. 6 at the back. Those guns, they were capable of firing a 100-weight shell some 14 land miles. Last spied in anger during the Korean campaign, the famous Tower Bridge. Here is coming into view on your right, folks. The Tower Bridge. Oh, this is the money shot. If you get it quickly, charge on this boat. Can't cost you a penny. We're good to Europe. The oldest part of the building is where you see the castle-like part where the Union flag is flying. That's called the Norman Keep.
好啦，我哋搭完船啦，我哋咧而家咧就有機會可能去 Tower Bridge 嗰度行下啦。好啦，我哋落咗船之後咧，我哋而家咧就行去個 Tower Bridge 喺上面嗰度行嘅。好啦，我哋嚟到呢個 Tower Bridge 啦，我哋而家咧就會行到。上面係要俾錢嘅，所以我哋就應該好貴，我哋就未必行啦。咁我哋就繼續向呢邊行啦，行低啲嗰邊嘅。好啦，我哋咧準備行完啦，我哋而家出發去啦。之後咧，我哋嚟到呢個 Borough Market 啦，即係菠蘿市場。呢度有唔同嘅嘢食買啊！哇，嗰度好熱鬧啊，好似好多嘢食買咁樣啦。我哋而家周圍睇下先。呢度好大啊，菠蘿市場，超級多各種嘅嘢食買，有肉啊，有生果啊，乜都有，甜品都有。呢度咧有啲唔同嘅鋪頭啊，呢邊咧就主要係有啲街邊檔多啲，啲水果賣啊，呢度有南瓜 pumpkin， 呢度有啲菜，呢啲好細嗰啲，呢度西蘭花。好多人排隊啊！真係呢度都係有車經過嘅。我哋咧呢度咧聽到火車聲啊，大家聽唔聽到啊？上面係火車嚟㗎。我哋而家排緊隊買嘢食。好啦，我哋去完嗰個Borough Market 之後咧，我哋而家咧就會去 Museum of London 啦。途中咧，我哋見到一架海盜船啦，佢泊咗喺度啊，下面係咁樣嘅。啲人可以上去影下相都得啦。我哋咧而家就會準備去 Museum of London 嘅啦，咁咧就開始，而家就會行20幾分鐘去嘅。咁我哋今日咧又會再經翻我哋琴日行嗰條橋，即係呢條橋，去嗰個 Museum of London 嘅啦。好啦，前面就係 Museum of London 啊，周圍都有牌寫住。好啦，我哋而家就正式行入去，唔知有咩睇嘅咧？係咪咁？好啦，我哋入嚟呢度啦。哇！你可以周圍睇下先，呢個Museum有啲可能睇到啲歷史。原來以前 ABCD 去到 Z 咧嘅英文字咧係咁樣嘅，好搞笑。呢度好多唔同嘅古蹟啊！我呢度有啲數字咧，例如係15，咁我對翻上去睇15，咁可以睇到呢樣係咩嚟㗎？哇！呢個好靚啊！我呢度4個人，係以前嗰啲古蹟嗰啲石嚟。 啲咧就係古代時候咧，佢哋用嗰啲用具，可能切嘢啊咁樣咯。呢個係一個 timeline 啊，倫敦歷史嘅 timeline， 喺嗰邊去呢度。呢度有間小屋仔啊，呢度好舊啊！1956年嗰陣咧，呢架係第一架巴士。好啦，咁我哋咧而家就會去河濱園啦。係啦，我哋行8分鐘就會到㗎啦。呢度有嘢食唔食？好靚啊！呢度啲燈飾，我哋見到寫住 Covent Garden 啊。我諗呢度咧就已經差唔多到達㗎啦。哇！呢啲建築物咧好有歷史啊，好靚添！我哋而家繼續向前行。好啦，我哋到達咗呢個 Covent Garden 啦。我哋好靚啊！好啦，我哋入到嚟呢個 Covent Garden 啦。好，我哋而家行入去。哇！呢度入邊有好多呢燈啊，好靚啊！呢度應該係擺檔嘅鋪頭啊，不過係收晒啦。但係有啲鋪頭仲未閂嘅，但好多都收晒啦。點解都係啲賣嘢食嘅鋪頭嚟嘅？啲燈飾啊，好靚啊！真係。哇！經過完嗰度出到嚟咧，呢度同樣係好靚啊！呢度都有啲鋪頭啊，因為喺度食嘢，真係好大一個地方啊！呢度真係好靚啊！呢度真係好靚啊！我哋咧都見到呢個皇家歌劇院啊 ，Royal Opera House。呢邊都好靚啊！好啦，我哋睇下下次可唔可以入去睇歌劇啦。好啦，我哋咧而家咧就返去啦，我哋已經好夜啦而家。好啦，咁大家咧就期待我哋第3集嘅倫敦影片啦。好啦，咁今集先講到呢度，拜拜。下一集我哋去到 Buckingham Palace 白金漢宮嗰度睇衛兵交接儀式，之後我哋到 The British Museum 大英博物館參觀，欣賞到唔同嘅歷史文物。最後我哋喺夜晚搭返巴士返 Nottingham。